Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. These are my beautiful colors I'm going to be using. This is a custom orange, but this is Golden's Quinacridone Magenta, and this is Pthalo Blue, which is semi-transparent, and it has, I wanted to lighten it up a little, so I used transparent white to make it that color. We're going to be doing a bloom, and I want to have white negative space. So I need to, so this doesn't come flying off. I usually put a little bit like that. And then we want to get it kind of even on the, all right. Put on some pillow paint. This is PPG Multipro. All right. Spin that out a little bit. And if you see something in your paint, quickly take it out. All right. All right. Let's start with the pink. This is Quinacridone Magenta by Golden. I'm not going to use too much because I do want the negative space. I'm not really sure how much to use. Last time, I usually use too much. And the Pthalo Blue. Okay, I'm going to be using Oxide Black Cell Activator. Let me pop some bubbles. If you've been wondering why I've been quiet on my channel, last week I lost my mother suddenly, so we're in deep grief. But painting, I keep turning to painting and it gives me joy, so it's helping me. Along with that, I am planning another collection of fluid art and fiber fusion pieces, totally new designs. So, beauty out of ashes. My mom would be glad. Okay, let's blow this out. I am using, well, yes, it's not so much paint. I hope that's enough. I'm going to be using my flour. I use it on low. I find I have better control. Oh no, I don't like when I do that. Okay, let me let it sit for a second. Pop any bubbles that pop up. You want to lightly just touch it. trying to bring some of those colors up, but it's come on. Oh, there's a few. Oh, just gotta blow harder. All right. I love this magenta and the orange. It's kind of a red orange. I really like that color combination. Okay, let's I don't really like what I did here. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? All right. Well, I don't know. Don't like that. Love this. Okay. Well, let's spin it out and see how it goes. See if I have enough paint on there. Ooh, that's looking pretty. Oh, that is looking pretty. Soft in color. I like that. I don't want to spin it out too much more. I do got to get it off the edges. So a little bit more. Okay, got it off all the edges. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty. Not sure what it's doing over here. I hope it's not my pillow paint again. It's kind of a little bit, I don't know, kind of cracking and breaking up. Sometimes with the pillow paint, I've been having trouble And that's a new can. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. But you know, okay, well, let's see. When it's dry, if I'm not happy with it, I can put some blue glaze, pink glaze, to kind of the parts that I don't like. But I love this. Okay. Let me see how much is in the middle. I need to, oh yeah, it's good. Okay, there's enough paint off of it. So I'm going to take you down for a close-up. Okay. What if I should start using some different pillow paint? I'm not sure. Okay. So all the colors will be listed in the below in the description, and I hope you like this. If you do, subscribe, like it, and I will bring you more. I want to be able to do this like big. So my goal is to learn to keep growing in size. So grow along with me. Okay, God bless you.